Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple and delicious recipe for air fried chicken. It's made in an Instant Pot with an air fryer lid, and it's so simple to make and delicious. It has a really nice crispy skin and it's very juicy. So first put your chicken thighs into a bowl, and then you're going to drizzle it with some extra virgin olive oil. And then we're going to sprinkle it with our seasonings. And so I'm just going to add a little bit of salt, some garlic powder, some paprika, and some sage. So now preheat the air fryer to 380 degrees for 5 minutes. And press start. So the air fryer is now beeping after the preheat of 5 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the lid. And it's very, very hot, so just be careful. And then I'm gonna spray the inside basket, the bottom and the sides with some avocado oil spray. So now I'm gonna put the chicken thighs into the basket with the skin side down. And then I'm gonna put the lid on and set it to 380 degrees again for 28 minutes. Okay, so halfway through, my air fryer lid is telling me to turn the food. It was about 14 minutes, so I'm gonna remove the lid. And I'm gonna just turn it with some tongs. Then I'm gonna put the lid back on and it will just start cooking again. Okay, so the lid is beeping to tell me that it's end, so I'm gonna just take off the lid and take a look at the chicken. Even before I check it, usually I will check it with the thermometer here, but it's looking a bit light, so I'm actually gonna give it another 5 minutes. And this all just depends on the size of your chicken. Okay, so now I'm just going to lift the lid again and take a look at the chicken. And oh yeah, that has a much darker color. I'm just going to check the internal temperature of the chicken. It should read 165 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, and so that's ready to plate. So there you have it, the most simple and delicious recipe for air fried chicken that's made in an Instant Pot with an air fryer lid. It has a nice crispy skin and it's so juicy and delicious. Enjoy.